One of the most beautiful experiences I have is when I connect with other people, either creatively or mutually.
Damas ko maning malan, kailangan dong tiisan itimla para kay pamilya ka unita, kailangan magparayan di umanarami lubos biyaya.
Calvin Concepcion is a composer, singer, songwriter who uses the Kapampangan language as a medium to express their experiences and relay the current situation to their listeners. The band Timawa Experience aims to encourage the younger generation to keep the Kapampangan language as part of the strong culture in Pampanga.
Yako sana'y sopan nung makasaw nadalaw.
We know that the community is really in need of local music, like itang local talaga, itang Batcarela. Ang kantami kasi mostly social commentary, mostly kung nanong malalyari, kaya kami abang totoo kining Pampanga. So ito, sana in the future mag-reference na rin din nga anak banta baldo mga nanta mo kinabiyag yung ira na ini.
Bargain your soul. Heavy's the head that wears the crown. Don't let negativity drag you down. Guilty Babylon.
Conscious music. It's not just listening to it and just make you feel better, but listening to the music, and the music is speaking to you deeply within your soul, making you realize what's really going on and making you think.
Jay De Leon from the band Spearheads emphasizes the value of self-worth. To maintain our dignity, to open our eyes and listen with our ears. The song he recently wrote entitled They Simply Believe is an expression of the musician's pursuit to awaken the minds of the people who wish for a change.
Art is parang meditative state din siya where you can connect with the divine. Diba? Kasi yun lang naman yung nakikita natin sa loob Siya lang naman Tapos nagmamanifest siya sa labas using you. You're the creator. And then, natatanong mo sa loob yung creator pa.
Angelo listens to the inner child in him. This gives him the opportunity to discover the essence of life. And that sparks motivation. It can help us accomplish our goals, small or big it may be. He specializes in making miniature wood artworks like small houses, terrariums, and batik clothes. Benjamin Cuyugan's inclination to music started at a young age. The lyrics and melodies linger in his head without writing them down. He started composing and singing officially in senior high school. The song Eva is about a girl that Benj admires at that time.
Tell me what it tastes like to sip from my own cup. Tell me what it feels like to see your wings fall.
Senior high school, that's the time where I try to write my songs like officially and form a band.
Sa aking FYP, todo kong sumayaw.
Nag-start ko since grade 1. Itatang ko, met niya ako artist sa fine arts. Siguro kaya ako ikuha ito. Grade 1 to grade 2, lalabang kong pastel dati. During pandemic, ito ginawa ko. Mga magazine bids na wala akong na-bids nun. Kaya ito, ginawa akong sarili kong bids, magazine. And then Tree of Life, Mandala, Dreamcatcher.
We do not stay in the same circle. We evolve and find ways to get out of it. You can always go back to where you started. Quote, Michael Serrano. Michael is a visual artist who specializes in making dream catchers and mandalas. The more we experience in life, the more we learn how to deal with stress. This is similar to his method of making art. When he feels overwhelmed by the patterns, he reverts to the basics and remembers the project's goal.
During gagawin kayo ni minsan naisip itong stress, kaya itong nanitang gagawa mo pati nga po, ba't ang pagal, experience kayo, ba't minsan din na luwan tao, may liwala ng klaseng experience. Ba't ang makiramdam ka rin karila, medyo ayaw observe mo itong stress. Ay, ito, kaya kinaitang in-express ng ka na akong memories about experience, stress, kaya realidad. Ba't hindi? Happening may bukan ko hindi.
Chapter 1 by Lonely Contemplation. With its speed relying upon the mercy of the winds, the Chuan cruised the watery wilderness, having its broad hull hugging the fickle waves, befriending them, imploring that the journey be made blissful, free from chaos.
Supercut of Discord, a documentary film, is a prelude to her ongoing animation film project, Sea of Discord, Chapter 1 by Dee Lau. It is her most recent film, with its full-length version submitted to the Yamagata Film Festival 2025 in Yamagata, Japan, and it was presented during the Quezon City Biennial 2025 in Metro Manila, Philippines.
Blindness was inevitable. Before the last flicker of light was gone, I turned to my passion for writing. Sea of Discord was born from the sorrow I felt for the West Philippine Sea, and I continued to dream for peace. I had lost my sight, but not my vision.
I envision that for us, the Philippines, there would be a future where performance art is a common presence in museums, galleries, and creative spaces in the Philippines. And my dream is to be recognized as a world-class artist. So with performance art, it's like there's acting, there's singing, there's spontaneity, there's spoken word. You can conceptualize it and make it into reality. So it's different. We're in like paintings, sculpture, right? But you let the people be involved with your world. So it's different.
Dee Lau's artistic practice focuses on two main forms, performance art and filmmaking. With a strong background in animation and visual arts, she seamlessly combines these disciplines to create works that are both cinematic and performative. Her art films are avant-garde, as it sparks new and experimental ideas and methods in the visual and performing arts, music, and literature. Meeting a person like Dee Lau opened up my curiosity about performance art, always with music or poetry blended with the Filipino, indigenous, and Chinoy culture as part of our performance art style.
I'm a bonsai artist from Mabalacat, Pampanga. Anyang minuna, ingka na akong artist about music. I'm a vocalist sa isang banda, and then nag-ship ako. Hindi naman nag-ship actually, hindi ko naman tinanggal yung pagiging musician eh. And then nahilig din ako sa photography. Pagkatapos, nung mauso na yung, dahil manual kami dati, nauso na yung digital photography, medyo hindi na ako maka-ride sa digital. Medyo nangangalan ko na. Pero nung matuklasan ko yung bonsai, ito talaga ang ang sabi nga ng iba na, kumbaga sa pag-ibig, ito talaga yung nagpatibok ng puso ko. Kasi, living art. It's a living art. Yes, exactly. It's a living art.
Abel Bong de Luna is a bonsai artist from Mabalacat, Pampanga. His first art was in the form of music. He was a vocal artist in a band. He also loves manual photography. But at the birth of digital photography, he realized that the time has come that he finds a new hobby.
Uwa, itemuro ning pinakaburi ko rin kasi ka uling outdoor. So, kaya bila rin tao king kuligid ko. Bago makipag-interact la. Kasi, usually, mag-paint ko, at sure king gulot ko dumuganda ako. Ay, ba't mag-suggest lang na nung points, na nung gawa.
Open to that, nakakita kang
Uwa, mas buri ko ito banta ting interaction between baga lulublaring kitang mismong canvas at inyang story at inyang baga peka sustansya kitang artwork mismo. Plan after 5 years siguro itang make a studio for na may pwedeng maging kumbaga pwedeng workshop area mga yan. Gallery, gallery mga yan.
Artist exhibit, medyo ating theme. Kaya pinanakasakit na makyabe ka karetang mag-painting kasi mas tabang sagli makapag-conceptualize na nung i-Canada para kitang exhibit. So yung kana ako, kuduari mo ating concept na yung theme fiesta o kaya pamangan. So, denireta nga isip ko na nung, syempre, bayo ka makapaglutong pamangan, dapat ating ingredients. Kaya, deniring entry ko kitang betong makanita.
Janelle Santos is a teacher by profession and teaches values and education in a public school in Angeles City. As an artist, art is what she considers a breather, and to be in the creative state is fulfilling. She considers herself a fiber artist, where she incorporates the idea of crochet in making art like dream catchers and mandala, or any natural fibers and some recycled materials that can be converted into a piece of art. Here in Denmark, crochet or at hækle is part of the Danish culture. You'll see a small group of people doing crochet or knitting on some quiet days in a coffee shop, or sometimes on the train. Crochet using cotton yarn, and especially knitting using wool, can be considered a luxury wardrobe item that one must have. Wool provides excellent warming effects due to its ability to trap air and regulate temperature. I personally have a couple of handmade wool vests and a poncho that was made by a sweet lady in Denmark.
Kung lalawin ko po kasi, akakad king sarili ko na atin na akong asimulan. Kumbaga, pagpatuloy ko, itang agawa ko para ating ko pang lalong abalo at balo ko ating pupuntalan. Ito po.
Marlon Guevara is a fashion, abstract, and mixed media artist. He loves combining different elements in one project. He uses crystals, flowers, and butterflies to bring life and meaning to his artworks. His art reminds him, as well as others, to never stop dreaming and keep creating. One of his artworks is crafted from recycled materials. The idea came to him when he realized that discarded things still have potential, just like people or art itself. He used junk items such as cans, wires, metal machine parts, and wood for this art piece. Marlon showcased this beautiful artwork recently at the Porac Municipal Hall during the Balas Festival, a celebration of our natural resources, particularly sand, and the resilience and creativity of our community. This piece represents hope, beauty, and transformation, symbolizing freedom from darkness. It has a sparkling effect that reflects light, growth, and the brilliance that comes from rising above challenges. Each fold gives new life into forgotten pages. Discarded books find new purpose through art and precision. What was once read now tells a story through form and patience. Quote, Gabriel Lyson of Atomic One.
See that the process may look easy, but it's very tedious. You really have to have patience. Kasi on an average, the hardest book, if I may say, has at least, that I've done, meron siyang 12,000 cuts. So, yes, for one book, for a design. So aside from 12,000 cuts, you also have to mark each page, those 12,000 markings. So it's a repetitive and tedious process, and it takes time.
Gabriel is both an artist and a musician. He was once a part of a Kapampangan band named Paninap, where he played the harmonica. In 2023, he started the art of book folding as a hobby, and eventually became a daily habit of creativity that keeps him motivated and happy.
Magpapa-personalize, especially sa mga offices nila, ang gifts, because they don't, I think that's one of the challenges that we have nowadays na ang hirap magregalo. Ang hirap magbigay ng something na bago. Exactly. Lalo na sa Yes.
So you know your target market.
Yes. So people see something different and something unique. Those are primarily my markets, and especially sa mga businesses, then they ask me to create their logos, put it in a book. So, yeah.
Ronnie Tayag is an artist and a visionary whose philosophy, nung nang atin, which means creating from what the earth provides, celebrates beauty and is born of simplicity. A seasoned artist who defies convention, he draws inspiration from nature and transforms found objects into works that blur the line between imagination and reality. He turns what others overlook into works that stir the soul, that feel both timeless and alive. He challenges the new generation of creatives to see art not as a mirror of the self, but as a vessel of thought, emotion, and wonder. In every piece, Ronnie reminds us that the true artistry is an act of grace, an offering that shows us the true creativity springs not from the abundance, but from presence and gratitude.
We are all united by our bodies. And no matter where we're from, the greatest treasure will always be our health. Born in the heart of Scandinavia, a brand as pure and natural as its origin, created with a genuine respect for nature and human well-being, developed with the best ingredients, the highest quality, and the latest science. Novovita provides the best choice for you and your family. In a world where nutrition plays a more vital role than ever, Novovita has proven itself to consumers and health experts worldwide seeking a sustainable, clean, and active lifestyle. Join us today to discover the exclusive quality of Scandinavia. Join us today to explore the nutrition science of Scandinavia. Pure, honest, effective.